Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own advent calendar for Christmas. This is something that's fun to make for your kids, or you can make it for a friend or a family member and completely adapt the gifts to something that they like. And I'll give you some tips for gifts to include later on. So let's get started. The first version I'm going to show you is a paper bag made out of wrapping paper. You can make these any size you want, and this is especially good if you have slightly bigger gifts. After I've glued the short sides together, I like to put this edge on the side so it's less visible. When you fold the bottom flap up, make sure it goes slightly past the middle so that they will overlap. I also want to align the corners here, so to do that I fold in both sides. And there's your bag. You can absolutely leave it like this, or you can add some decorations. Another great thing about these bags is you can reuse them year from year, and they hardly take up any room when you store them. I'm going to show you a second option now. This time we're going to make little bonbons of green and white crepe paper. I want the white to show a little bit on the outside, so I'm making that a tiny bit wider. Then you just add some glue, roll it up, and then tie off the ends. And then you can be as creative as you like with the decorations. I'm going to curl the ends, but I'm going to split them first. I'm keeping the decorations quite simple, but it could be nice to add some gold stars to match the ribbon. And you can also adapt how ambitious you want to be. Maybe you want to have one gift per day up to Christmas, or maybe you just want to make 1 or 2 gifts per weekend. And here are some tips on gifts. Let me know in the comments what theme you make your advent calendar this year. And here's one last option for making a parcel, this time using a paper roll and 2 sheets of tissue paper. And from this step, the steps are exactly the same as for the bonbon. decided to make labels from a piece of cardboard, but you can also write the numbers directly on the parcels, or you can use stickers with numbers on them. Once you've made all your gifts, it's time to display them. You can put them in a basket, or if you already have a Christmas tree up, you can hang them from the tree. Here I've attached them to a long ribbon using clothes pegs. And feel free to mix the parcels or to make them look all the same depending on what materials you have at home. And I'm sure that whoever gets this as a gift from you will really appreciate it. And so will their cat.